Attention all car owners and DIY mechanics. Are you tired of that pesky check engine light ruining your day? Do you want to save money on mechanic bills and take control of your vehicle's health? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of OBD2 scanners to bring you the top 5 budget-friendly options that will help you diagnose and fix your car's issues like a pro. From wireless wonders to classic wired scanners, we've got you covered. So buckle up and let's get started. Kicking things off with our top pick, BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scan tool, this is the ultimate wireless solution for car diagnostics. Say goodbye to tangled wires. This compact device connects seamlessly to your iPhone or Android via Bluetooth, turning your phone into a powerful diagnostic tool. What makes the BlueDriver shine is its ability to read and clear not just engine codes, but also advanced codes like ABS, airbag, SRS, and TPMS, which are often only accessible with pricier professional tools. The user-friendly app is a game-changer, offering unlimited repair reports with possible causes and fixes, plus step-by-step repair videos to guide you through the process. Whether you're troubleshooting a misfire or checking your car's health in real time with live data monitoring, BlueDriver has you covered. It's compatible with all gas-powered vehicles from 1996 onwards and offers enhanced diagnostics for major brands like GM, Ford, Toyota, and more. Best of all, no subscription fees. Just one purchase gets you everything. It's a premium pick that's worth every penny for its versatility and ease of use. If you want a professional-grade tool that's easy to use and offers advanced diagnostics without ongoing costs, BlueDriver is your go-to choice. Next up is the FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 scanner, a favorite among DIYers and professionals alike for its robust features at an affordable price. This wired scanner boasts a vibrant 2.8-inch color screen and hotkeys for quick access to functions like IM readiness and code reading. It's perfect for diagnosing check engine light issues, reading and clearing DTCs, and monitoring live data with graphing capabilities to spot trends in your engine's performance. The NT301 supports all 10 OBD2 service modes, making it a versatile tool for engine diagnostics. It's compatible with most vehicles from 1996 onwards, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Features like red, yellow, green LEDs and a built-in speaker provide clear emissions readiness status, helping you pass smog tests with confidence. While it doesn't support ABS or airbag diagnostics, its plug-and-play design and free lifetime updates via Windows PC make it a reliable choice. The NT301 is ideal for those who want a straightforward, feature-rich scanner focused on engine diagnostics without breaking the bank. For those new to car diagnostics, the VDIAGTOOL VD10 OBD2 scanner is a perfect entry-level option. This plug-and-play device is incredibly easy to use. Just connect it to your car's OBD2 port and you're ready to diagnose issues in seconds. It reads and clears engine-related DTCs, displays live data, and checks freeze frame data to pinpoint problems. The VD10 also supports IM readiness for smog checks and retrieves vehicle information like VIN numbers, making it a handy tool for basic diagnostics. With a clear 2.2-inch LCD screen and support for 6 languages, it's accessible to a wide audience. The VD10 is compatible with 99% of OBD2 compliant vehicles from 1996 onwards, including US, EU, and Asian models. While it's limited to engine diagnostics and doesn't support ABS or airbag systems, its affordability and 3-year warranty make it a great choice for beginners. If you're a beginner looking for a simple, cost-effective scanner for engine diagnostics, the VD10 delivers a reliable performance. Number 4, the ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner is a tried-and-true favorite endorsed by mechanics and YouTubers like Scotty Kilmer. This compact wired scanner is designed for ease of use, with a 2.4-inch LCD screen and a sturdy 2.5-foot cable made of thick, flexible insulation. It quickly reads and clears engine-related DTCs, displays live data, and checks IM readiness for emissions testing, helping you avoid costly mechanic visits. The AD310 supports all OBD2 protocols and is compatible with most 1996 US-based, 2000-plus EU-based, and Asian vehicles. Its built-in DTC lookup library shows code definitions directly on the screen, saving you time. While it's limited to engine diagnostics and doesn't support ABS or airbag systems, its durable build and affordability make it a top pick for DIYers. The AD310 is perfect for car owners who want a reliable, no-frills scanner for engine diagnostics at a budget-friendly price. Rounding out our list is the MOTOPower MP6933 OBD-II scanner, a versatile and affordable tool for diagnosing engine issues. This compact scanner features a 2.7-inch LCD screen and a built-in DTC lookup library, so you can understand error codes without searching online. It reads and clears codes, displays live data, and checks IM readiness, making it ideal for smog tests and basic troubleshooting. The MP6933 supports 9 OBD2 protocols and works with most 1996 US-based, 2000+ EU-based, and Asian vehicles. Its plug-and-play design draws power directly from the OBD2 port, eliminating the need for batteries. While it doesn't support ABS or airbag diagnostics, its fast scan speed and graphing capabilities for select data, for example engine RPM, coolant temperature, add value. It's affordable, it's a steal for budget-conscious DIYers. The MP6933 is a great choice for those seeking a low-cost, user-friendly scanner for engine diagnostics with added graphing features. Each of these OBD2 scanners offers unique strengths, from the BlueDriver's wireless versatility to the MOTOPower's unbeatable price. They empower you to diagnose issues at home, potentially saving hundreds on mechanic visits. Choose based on your needs, whether it's advanced features, ease of use, or budget constraints, and take the first step towards becoming your own car diagnostic expert.